Go. We have the Tikka T3X chambered in 6.5 by 55 Swedish Mauser. Sweet rifle. Check it out. Before we continue, let me read you the verse of the day. I'll be using the New King James Version Bible. I'll be reading now from the book of Timothy 1, verses 17 to 19. And it reads, "Command those who are rich in this present age not to be haughty, nor to trust in uncertain riches, but in the living God, who gives us richly all things to enjoy. Let them do good, that they be rich in good works, ready to give, willing to share, stirring up for themselves a good foundation for the time to come, that they may lay hold on eternal life." This rifle is very well known for its reliability and accuracy. It is made in Finland and the importer is Beretta USA. Now, this rifle is used by many hunters for medium-sized animals. Also, you can use this rifle, 6.5 by 55 Swedish Mauser, for competition. I did use it myself, and I was reloading for this rifle, and I still do once in a while. And sometime in the video, I'll let you know what I use as far as my reloads. The rifle here has a very mild recoil, and it's a favorite for reloaders because of the variety of bullet sizes. It is excellent at the long distance performance. Let's see now, the 6.5 by 55 caliber Swedish Mauser came out in the late 1890s by the Norwegian and Swedish military, and it's being used out today. This rifle, you can still buy it, it's still being made. And well, let's talk a little bit more, and we'll give you a close-up on this rifle. See you in a bit. This is a bolt-action rifle. Now, as far as the barrel is a fluted stainless steel barrel, and it's got a twist of 1 1/8. The length of the barrel is 22.4 inches. Now, it's got a nice, beautiful wooden stock. It has a matte oiled finish. It's got some checkering on the handle, on the grip over here in the front, and also at the fore end. Some very beautiful checkering. Now, as far as your sights, it's drilled and tapped, just in case you wanted to install a scope, which I did myself. And as far as its capacity, it doesn't have too much capacity. Only this magazine is a 3-round capacity, but 1 in the chamber gives you 4. Now, the weight, overall weight of the rifle is going to be 6.8 pounds. The overall length of the rifle is 42.5 inches. Now, as far as your trigger, I did measure it on my lineman gauge to give me an average of 3 pounds. It's a single stage trigger, by the way. It does have a manual safety right here. It's a 2-stage safety. And when you cock the rifle, it does have a cocked bolt indicator right there in the back. I don't know if you can see that red dot in the back of the bolt right there. Let's see, the bolt has a super smooth action to it, which I love very, very much. And it's available for right-handers and left-handers. Now, on the other side of the rifle, you do have a nice pronounced bolt release right there. Very nice. Just in case you want to clean it, or when it's time to give it a clean. All right, now as far as my reloads on this rifle, I do use, which I do reload once in a while. For as far as the powder that I use the IMR 4064, and as far as the bullet, I use the Sierra Match 140 grain. And what charge I use 40 grains of a charge, and that's what's given me the best groupings. Up to 500 yards, it gives me an average of 4 MOA. All right, that's about it. Why don't we go out and shoot this beautiful, beautiful rifle. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, here we go. We have an assortment of targets over there at 100 yards. We have two 1-gallon jugs of Kool-Aid, 2-liter bottles at 100 yards, and at 200 yards we have the same setup, except for I think 1 liter, 2-liter soda bottle, 1/2 gallon of Kool-Aid, and the same size target. I believe that target is 12 inches or 10 to 12 inches. I forgot already. I know they're 1/2 inch, so we'll be able to hit them and not break them. So, that first 1/2 gallon jug. Wow. All right, here we go. One more time. I'm trying to take my time this time. There we go. Not too bad. All right, we're gonna take the safe off, and I think I'm just gonna go for that next 1/2 gallon jug. It's a little bit bigger than the 2-liter soda bottle. All right, see if we get a better reaction from that second jug of Kool-Aid. I think that was a little bit high. All right. Let's see this time. I'm gonna try to go. Oh, I'm gonna try to go low, aim lower. There we go. Let's go for that 2-liter bottle of soda. Well, we hit it, but we'll see in the camera where we hit it. Let's hit that last one. There we go. All right. Well, let's try to hit that target. We have a target right there at 100 yards. See, we hit that target. All right, here we go. That's about I don't remember if it's 10 inches or 12 inches, but let's see if we hit it. There we go. All right, folks. Let's we're gonna set up for the 200 yards. We'll see you in a bit. See, I don't know if you can see on the camera. I'm gonna shoot at that 1/2 gallon first. 1/2 gallon of Kool-Aid here. See what happens. All right, here we go again. Finally. All right, let's go for that soda. It's a little bit thinner, but see if we can hit that soda at 200 yards, 2-liter soda. Well, we hit it, but I don't know how it reacted. We'll check that out on the camera in a little bit. Well, there's that target, metal target. See if we can hit that target there. 200 yards. All right, here we go. There we go. I see it swing. And it caught it on the edge. I see that hit around 9 o'clock. All right. All right, folks. Here's the surprise we have for you. We have some Tannerite over there. A pound of Tannerite at about 128 yards. We've measured it with our range finder. And we'll see it's under a white construction hat. And we'll see if I can hit that hidden inside that hat. Here we go. Get this out of safe and let's see here. Listo. Ahí va. Wow. That was a big boom. I like that. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in a bit. I forgot to mention a couple of things on this rifle. You can also get it in a blued barrel, and also the average market price right now on this rifle is $1,000. All right, that's all I have for you on this beauty of a rifle. First and foremost, I want to thank the Lord for allowing me and making this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that bell for the announcements of the new videos we put out in this channel. God bless you and your families. We'll see you next time. This is a rifle that is very known. Very known. Yes, it's very known.